Hello Glam fam, welcome back to MBGE. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Yes, subscribe. Yes, like this video, send in your nice comment and your questions as well, and also share this video to your family and friends. On here we deliver educational, informative and entertaining content on the concept of makeup and skincare. Therefore, you need to turn on your notification bell so you can get updates on new videos. Hello Glam fam, welcome back to MBGE. Throughout the next few weeks, I'll be doing a detailed review on all the skincare products I've used so far, helping you see how it works for your skin type, just in case you desire to purchase an entire list ranging from face wash, toners, serums, scrubs, body wash and the likes. So let's see what is in today's package, shall we? This is actually my first unboxing video ever. I'm so excited to unbox this box. Yes, of course it's a box, that's why I'm unboxing it. This box from Oriki, Lagos. I actually purchased it because it's a natural skincare brand. They are green, ethical and all. But I'm going to be doing a review of all the products individually, discussing what the product does for your skin and all of that. Don't worry, this is not a video, it's going to be a separate video, and wait for it. Okay, don't be in a hurry, wait for it. So what is inside this box? What is inside this box? Let's check it together. Okay, we have the Oriki mint scrub. It has a lot of juicy natural ingredients. I used this. I bought the scrub twice because the first one I used it up. I had to buy another one. Although I wanted to buy another flavor, but they didn't have it, so they had to give me this one. I've used it twice. Oriki, you're supposed to pay me for using your scrub twice. Just kidding. We have the lip scrub. We have the lip scrub from Oriki, and this scrub, it actually works because I used it. I think I used it just once or twice so far, and if you see the way it brought out dead cell on my lips, oh my god, it works. It really works. So don't worry, I'm going to be doing a review on all of these products. We have the shea butter, the Oriki shea butter. We have, this is another Oriki face scrub. This was the first one that I used. Ever when I first of all bought Oriki products. We have the African black soap. I'm not really a fan of black soap, but I really wanted to try the liquid black soap, and since it was branded, I had to go for it. Well, this one is, I'm done with it. But I'm still going to do the review of how I felt using this and every other product individually. So we have the Oriki face wash. I've done a review on all of this product, so stay tuned. The review will be up shortly. This is the tea tree water gel. This is the Oriki rejuvenating cream. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, yes, so you can get updated on new tutorials, new content. You have to turn on your notification bell as well, and make sure to like as well. Send in your nice comments and share this video to your family and friends. Thank you for staying tuned in today's video. See you in my next video. Bye.